can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XRP. XRP is up 12.6% over the last 1 week. XRP's market cap sits at $94.81 billion, currently trading around the $1.548 region. In this video, we'll look at XRP's performance against US dollar over the last few years. How high should we expect XRP to go? Is there a pathway for us to get to new all-time highs? Should we be selling our XRP right now? We'll also look at XRP's performance against Bitcoin, XRP's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll look at XRP's market cap. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. XRP currently trades around $1.54. XRP has a market cap of $94.59 billion with a total supply of 99.98 billion XRP, and we have 61.22 billion of those XRP in circulation. We look at XRP's all-time high, came in on the 4th of January 2018. XRP traded for as high as $3.84. Right now it's down 59% from that all-time highs. A lot of market participants are still scared. Are we in a bear market? Are we just having a bear trap? Is this a pullback? How high can we possibly go? If you look at XRP's price charts over the years, guys, we've had bear markets, we've had bull markets, but one thing that is constant is we'll always have those two things. We'll have bull markets, we'll have bear markets. No matter how hard the drawdown is, no matter how hard the pump is, we're still going to see both bull market and bear market. After XRP was launched, we saw its first initial decline. That initial decline was very outrageous. The initial decline was one that XRP lost around 95% of its value in the process. But then that recovery was one of the greatest recovery of our time. You have to think about it, guys, that every cause has an effect and every effect has a cause. And because that big dump XRP had in 2014, that led to one of the biggest bull run we have seen in XRP's price history, where XRP rallied up by more than 128,000% to the upside. Crazy if you think about it. XRP literally pulled up 1000x in front of our eyes in 2018. But then, because of that 1000x, XRP got a lot of followers, XRP got a lot of fanatics, XRP got a whole community that believed in the project. But then, price has been disappointing since then, because after that big pump, we have not seen this kind of crazy pumps that drew a lot of market participants into the market thinking XRP is the future, XRP is going to the moon forever. It topped around $3.77 in 2018. Since then, we are barely able to touch the $3 level. We've seen XRP dump to Goblin Town, finding bottom around the COVID sell-off, where by that time, XRP already lost 96% of its value. The 2021 bull market was one of the wackiest bull markets we have seen for XRP, where it was pumping, the SEC sued Ripple, XRP dumped, XRP eventually pumped towards $1.9. We represented around the 1,500% move to the upside. But because of the huge expectations market participants had, because of the huge community XRP had, that rally didn't feel like a bull market. It didn't set new all-time highs. It didn't give us what we were expecting. So came the 2022 bear market. 2022 bear market 2 was another funny bear market for XRP. Instead of the usual 90% dump to Goblin Town, this time around, XRP went from $1.9. We saw it just dumping by 84%. And in the cryptocurrency market, 84% dump is a huge difference from an 84% dump and a 90+% dump. So XRP dumping by 84% meant it was one of the best gainers in that bear market. It didn't dump as hard as a lot of altcoins. It surely kept some of its value. We saw XRP finding the bottom around that $0.31 level. And since then, slowly but slowly, so XRP working its way to higher price. And after Donald Trump was elected, we saw a lot of meme coins and a lot of altcoins pumping. XRP eventually rallied towards the $3.5 level. That was the previous all-time highs. That's where XRP got rejected. XRP was already up 1,000% from that 2022 bear market. And this is where the real issue begins. Is XRP topped? Are we dumping to Goblin Town? Are we just going back to test previous support levels before we continue to higher prices? That's where the two school of thought believe. The first, the bearish price action I believe the bear market is over. The 4-year cycle has kicked in. We'll see all coins dumping to gobbling town just like 2022. And we're in for lower prices. And I don't believe that. I believe we're in a very, very crucial point in time where a lot of these altcoins can be pumping to new all-time highs, XRP included. From the all-time high where XRP got to around the $3.5 level, this pullback has seen XRP dump around 63%. Historically, a 63% dump in the cryptocurrency market is nothing to write home about. We randomly see 63% dumps in the middle of a bull market before big parabolic pumps to the upside. We saw around a 70% move to the downside in 2020 before XRP magically went towards $1.9. We saw XRP also pulling up more than a 60% dump to gobbling town in the middle of 2017 before we eventually pumped to higher prices. So with these altcoins, you never want to say never. A huge part of buying those altcoins is stomaching those volatility. A huge part of buying these altcoins is knowing that yes, they can pump very, very fast, but the flip side is that they can dump to gobbling town very, very fast. From where XRP is currently trading, I believe the new all-time highs is not far-fetched. Around the 150% pump move to the upside, we'll see XRP comfortably setting new all-time highs. I believe Bitcoin dominance will be dumping at any point in time from now. I believe all coins like XRP will also enjoy the party. If you look at XRP's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum over the last few years, XRP has clearly held its own against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, we saw a pump in XRP from 2024, and XRP has been holding that value against Bitcoin since 2024. Against Ethereum, similar price action. XRP found the bottom in June of 2024 against Ethereum. Saw it pump by 854%, and even with all the crash, even with all the pessimism in the market, XRP is still outperforming Ethereum from June of 2024 by 338%. XRP performance against Bitcoin, similar to its performance against Ethereum, was dumping to gobbling town for a very, very long time. But finally, XRP's valuation against Bitcoin found support, and we have been doing very, very well. XRP has been doing very, very well since November of 2024, where it found a bottom against Bitcoin. We saw it outperforming Bitcoin by more than 350%. Right now, XRP is still up 185% against Bitcoin from the bottom where we were trading in November of 2024. To the big one now, the most important chart of them all, XRP's market cap, which sits around the $92 billion level. We've seen XRP's market cap rally past $100 billion. One of the few altcoins to be in the market to stay over the years. XRP has been here since around 2014. One of the few oldest coins we have in the market that is still surviving. One of the oldest altcoins that has been pumping and been dumping, has been going through bear markets and bull markets. We saw XRP's market cap getting to new all-time highs. We saw XRP's market cap getting towards $215 billion. That happened late 2025. A lot of market participants were excited. On the US dollar price time, we didn't see XRP get to new all-time highs, but we saw it matching the previous all-time highs. And I strongly believe XRP is just coming back to test previous support. I won't be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see XRP make a move towards a new all-time highs. $300 billion, $400 billion, only time will tell how XRP will go. But don't forget, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should be thinking for selling for some sweet profit. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying XRP right now? How high do you think XRP can go in 2026? More importantly, if it pumps very, very high, when will you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.